Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add developer tab in Excel. Friends, in Excel sometimes we need developer tab to perform some functions. So to enable developer tab you simply need to click on File. Now here click on Options. In Options click on Customize ribbon. Now here you need to select developer and click on OK. Now friends, as you can see, developer tab is available in our Excel and we can use it as per our requirement. So friends, like this you can very easily add developer tab in your Excel. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.